Understanding circular needles in knitting. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of circular needles in knitting. Whether you're a knitting novice or a seasoned stitcher, understanding the versatility and use of circular needles can transform your knitting experience. So, grab your yarn, and let's get started. Circular needles are a unique type of knitting needle. Unlike traditional straight needles, circular needles consist of two tapered needles connected by a flexible cable. This design allows for the creation of seamless tubes of knitting, perfect for items like hats, socks, or sweater bodies. They come in various lengths and sizes to accommodate different project needs. One of the main advantages of using circular needles is their flexibility. They're not just for knitting in the round. You can also use them for flat knitting, especially for large projects like blankets or shawls. The weight of the project rests on the cable, reducing strain on your wrists. They're also travel-friendly, as the connected needles are less likely to slip out of your work. Magic loop. The magic loop technique allows you to knit small circumferences using a long circular needle. It's perfect for projects like socks or sleeves, where traditional double-pointed needles might be used. Knitting in the round. Knitting in the round is seamless and efficient with circular needles. This method is great for hats, cowls, and sweaters, giving a professional finish without the need for seaming. Flat knitting. Even when not knitting in the round, circular needles can be beneficial. For large, heavy projects, the cable supports the weight, making it easier to manage and less tiring for your hands. Circular needles are a versatile and essential tool in a knitter's arsenal. From small, intricate projects to large, cozy creations, mastering the use of circular needles can open up a world of possibilities in your knitting journey. We hope this video helps you get started or enhances your existing skills. Happy knitting, and we'll see you in the next one.